Hello, everybody, and welcome to Kabini Wildlife Sanctuary. Day 2 here, and today is the big day, Jungle Safari Day. We are up at 5:30, and on our way to the jeep that will take us for a safari. Let's enjoy it. And after that, we might just go see some water birds. But enjoy the safari. We'll just join you in the jeep. Alrighty, here we are in. So this is a resort jeep, and we'll get into the main jeep soon. But as of now,
Thank you.
hello and welcome to Kabini National Park. We were on our way to Jungle Lodges is to get our main jeep. Right, guys. So the resort jeep has taken us to Jungle Lodges, where our main jeep will be appointed. So let's get on this one and get on that one. We'll join you when we're on the other jeep. Alright, guys, into the jeep we go. And this will be our safari jeep for the rest of the time. Like anticlimax.
Good morning.
We're off. We finally exited the resort and were on our way to the main gate of the Nagarhole Tiger Reserve. We were full of excitement, not knowing what is coming. And we're in. With the sun rising up into the horizon, it was finally time to go. And off we were. And over here there was a peacock. To begin with, there were lots and lots of herds of deer. This one was also there, and this monkey was running across for some reason. There were many stags in this group. Oh, and you can see the monkeys climbing onto the tree in the background. And you can see this monkey right there on top of that tree. This langur was, just happily moving around. We ran into some more deer grazing happily along with the grass. This grass and the greenery, it was impossible to spot wildlife, but it was the time to enjoy the beauty of the jungle. It was beautiful indeed. More deer on this side. We just kept seeing deers and more deer. And finally then, our second most abundant creature in the safari, the peacock, showed up. And then after that, it started a chain of peacock sightings. This one happily standing on a rock in the middle of a marsh. What more can you ask for? Such a beautiful scene. And this one, about to spread its wings, it half spread them. But then, and as many people believe that this is for display, no, this is to attract mates. It's a beautiful sight to see. Woodpeckers. The first time we've ever seen woodpeckers on this channel, and this peacock is happily just sitting there, and this one on the tree showing its king displays. The peacock is truly the king of the birds in India, and just next to it, more deer. There are so many deer and peacock sightings in this safari, I cannot count. But yes, we were enjoying that a bit, and there were deer on both sides. Also, frantic alarm calls started. A tiger search is on. The more alarm calls are frantic, like the one seen here right now. The tiger or leopard is coming. They're really frantic and we're on this. Let's hope that the tiger shows himself. Till then, we were enjoying more peacock and deer sightings. This peacock and the stag next to it were one of the most beautiful sightings that I think we must have ever seen. And this photo, wow, brilliant. I guess we're leaving it. It's alright. There might be other chances that might come on the way. So let's search for chance number 2. At least we know that there is a tiger around the city. The most amazing takeaway from this safari, the red-headed vulture. Now first, I couldn't believe my eyes that I was seeing a vulture. Vultures are very endangered in India. Yeah, so it's a very much a treat to see them over here. And this one was sitting on a tree very far from us. But with the camera's good zoom lens, we got the best shots possible. It was absolutely brilliant. And with one more vulture being on the tree too, it was an absolute brilliant sight. But the ecosystem of birds were not over yet, as we were seeing ducks happily swimming around in the lake, as leisure was abundant here in this forest today. This vulture is having an inspection trip over here, seeing what's right and what's not. You can get a close-up of these ducks over here, and they are just doing their own thing. They don't really know each other. They just came, and then on top of the tree, the vultures sitting proud and crowned on top of the tree. It was beautiful to see. And who can forget Mr. Talkative, a crow which was talking and talking and talking. We took it just because it was talking. A beautiful sight indeed. Vultures, ducks, and a talking crow. It was beautiful.